Charlotte's Federal Defender's Office defending itself against claims of sexual discrimination by a former employee who is also an attorney.
Now, this case making its way up to the U.S. Court of Appeals stems from claims that the employee suffered harassment by her supervisor at the public defender's office. The justices heard arguments from the lawyers this morning, and as our chief legal correspondent here, Seema Iyer, followed these proceedings again, and Seema is here with the background in this case and how it got all the way up to the U.S. Court of Appeals.
Okay, so let me just give you a little background on this office. This is the Federal Public Defender's Office, one of the highest public defender's offices in the land, and this one here in Charlotte. So the person, like you call the district attorney, the person that holds the highest office is the federal defender. The person right under that is called the first assistant. Now, Jane Roe is basically saying that the first assistant was her harasser, and there was approximately 1 year of sexual harassment. And during that time, she tried for a promotion when she got to her 1 year time, and she was doing very well according to all her evaluations. But she had this proof of this email where he was asking for quid pro quo. At that point, she went to the top guy, the federal defender, and then she says the federal defender asked to meet with both of them. So I'm asking you all, think about this. If this was a criminal case and you have been violated sexually, and then you're having to sit there in a meeting with your perpetrator. So essentially, she says that she went through all the proper channels. Now, the overseeing body to this office is the Fourth Circuit's Internal Complaint Review. So she went through all the proper channels. She says she was stonewalled at every junction. She tried for promotions. She tried to get transfers to different offices, and nothing worked.
So this morning during oral arguments,
yes,
could you tell at all how the justices were leaning, if they were leaning a certain way at all?
I hate to say this because every time I come up here, I feel like I talk about process, but again, this was about process. A lot of the justices' questions, I couldn't tell the way they were leaning, but they were all asking about whether she went through the process properly. Did she file the appropriate claims in the certain offices? Now, there was just a little tidbit because one of the opposing counsel was saying, this is the DOJ counsel, so this is opposing her, Jane Roe. He was making a comment about her not taking the proper steps. And this is what Justice Gilman had to say. Take a listen.
Well, she says, though, she chose not to do it because she felt that it was going to be futile, right? That she was, in effect, being coerced, effectively, constructively discharged because she was told that filing a formal complaint would do her no good.
And a lot of the reasons that she was told this was a few things. Number one is that there is something called sovereign immunity that the government was, the public defender's office was claiming, as well as her not filing the proper claims. Technically, the retaliation, the lower court had said was supposed to go through Title VII, not under the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment, also something we've talked about in terms of civil rights.
So it sounds like a pretty big deal, and it was in the federal court here,
yeah,
but not a lot of people are talking about it. Does it have to do anything with the fact that she filed under Jane Roe?
Well, let's remember another famous Jane Roe. Right? Roe v. Wade. So we're one step under the Supreme Court. If she loses again and she appeals and goes to Supreme Court, maybe more people will talk about it. I am personally a little disturbed that this is not getting more traction because as someone who's been in the justice system for 25 years, I know I'm sad to say it, but these things happen in government offices. You hear all these stories about white shoe law firms. I mean, it happens really in every industry. But if she doesn't come out, maybe she's worried about her future career. Maybe that's why she's not giving her name, right?
Absolutely.
But at the same time, at some point, this may get more exposure, and perhaps it could help the cause.
Seema Iyer, our chief legal correspondent, bringing this case to light. Thank you so much.